Hello everybody, today in front of me I have OnePlus Nord 2T smartphone, and in this video we would like to show the top 5 pro tips for this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first tip is the fact that you can set your fingerprint as the unlock method on this device. So let's head to the password and security category of settings, and in here we'll choose the fingerprint. And prior of actually setting any biometrical, either face or fingerprint screen lock method, it is required that we provide ourselves with some backup unlock method as well from the default list of pattern, pin or password. So let's go ahead and do that now. I'll set the pattern myself and confirm it. After that we can start enrolling the fingerprint. The sensor is located at the bottom part of your display right here. So let's go ahead and gradually lay and lift our finger onto the scanner. Make sure to slightly rotate your finger each time you lay it onto the sensor in order for the entire surface of your fingerprint to be scanned and scanned correctly. So as you can see, it does not take a lot of time. Alrighty, so I have successfully added and enrolled my fingerprint. Let's go ahead and test it out. Once again. Alrighty, so great success. The fingerprint works just fine. The next step is also located right here, and it's another biometrical way of locking your screen and unlocking it respectively with your face. So face recognition. Let's go ahead and set it up as well. All that you gotta do is to place your face inside this sphere frame and get it scanned. I'll do it off the screen real quick. Alrighty, so my face has been successfully scanned. The face enrollment is way quicker and swifter than the fingerprint, so let's go ahead and test the face unlock as well. Already. So now it gets unlocked with my face. Let me align it right. So yeah, probably I've just haven't scanned my face right, or haven't scanned it correctly, but even though I didn't do it right, it still unlocks, my face still unlocks the phone, so I guess that's fine. If something like this happens, which it should not, you can just go ahead, go to the face category, delete the face data and get your face rescanned. So let me do it now. Alrighty, and now we'll test it out once again to see if this time it will work better or not. Alright, yep, just all that we needed to do is to scan our face better. Alrighty, so we are moving on to the next step, which is located at the display and brightness category of settings and called screen refresh rate. So in here we have two values to choose from, and basically the high screen refresh value of 90 Hz will get us smoother animations and scrolling experience, as you can see from the preview animation right here. Or if you want to opt for the better and more durable battery health, so that your phone will live significantly longer on the single battery charge, you can just go ahead and set the standard refresh rate of 60 Hz. So choose what you prioritize more, the animation smoothness or the battery duration. Me myself, I'll just go with the high screen refresh rate since my battery is currently sufficient, so I do not have to worry about it. So the next tip, the next feature that we were to show you in this video is called Always on Display, and it allows you to display some of the content and some of the crucial information at your screen once it is fully locked and asleep, basically. Once it is like so, like this, it will still show some info. So let's go ahead and open it. You can access the Always on Display settings from the personalization category, and here we have Always on Display. Let's go ahead and activate it. Once we lock our screen, we'll see that this information will be displayed, and it will be displayed permanently. If you do not want it to be displayed permanently, you can change the display options category, set either some schedule for it to be displayed between, or should I say, inside certain time frames, or should choose the power saving mode, which will only show the always on display after a few seconds after you lock your screen. So once your phone gets stationary for a while, it will simply turn it off. Alrighty. There are also some configurations that you can play with, for example, the clock design, so analog or digital, set some custom design overall for the ARD, manage the display settings, for example, what content is going to be shown, and some more. So we highly recommend that you try changing all the settings yourself and customize and personalize the always on display. Alrighty, and the final tip, the very small one that we were to show you in this video, is located at the status bar, notifications and status bar category. So let's head onto In here we want to open the status bar section, and in here this small switch allows you to turn on or turn off the battery percentage displayment that will be located right in front of the battery icon itself. So if you were looking for your battery percentage to be visible, you can just do that by simply enabling this switch. We can also change the battery style here, like make it circle, make it look like a loop, or do not show the icon whatsoever. We are also able to, like configure the status bars, decide what things will be shown over here. For example, we can turn on the real-time network speed, so we'll know how fast our connection works, and other very useful things. But the main one is obviously the battery percentage. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.